Hello, taco lovers. Today we are making carnitas, and we will be talking about end-of-year evaluations and figuring out what's working for us. These carnitas we are making in a slow cooker. It's going to be very simple. We're going to take 2 pounds of pork for carnitas. You can also use cubed pork shoulder if you don't have it already in the market as pork for carnitas. We're also going to add 4 cloves of garlic, half a chopped onion, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and salt and pepper to taste. We put that on high for 2.5 hours. And when we come back, we're going to shred that. And we've got now these wonderful tacos here. Those look delicious. Yeah. So you can garnish it with some cilantro, some Oaxaca cheese, and a little bit of lime juice as well. Let's try this out. It's okay. It's passable. I do like mine a little bit spicier, a little bit tangier. So maybe next time we will try to add a little bit of tomatillos or put some salsa on at the end. Maybe stew it with some red tomatoes. But it's okay. It's not bad. It's not great. It's not bad. It's decent. I could eat this. So it's the end of the year. In a few weeks, we're going to be making resolutions and figuring out how we want to improve for the future. So right now, what we need to do is take a look back and see how well we've done so far. What is working well for us? So I started this channel earlier in the year as a means of therapy. My wife said that I needed to go to therapy, and we couldn't afford it. So I've done this. It's worked well for me. So for this, I think this is working for me. Having this channel is my therapy. It's something that I can do. I enjoy making these videos. I know that I'm not yeah, famous. I know that I'm probably not going to be famous in the near future, if at all, for this, but I enjoy doing it, and it's working well for me. I get to try new tacos every week. I get to try new recipes every day. Um, I'm improving my brand management skills, so there's something there for my career. And I really enjoy this. I enjoy reading and finding out what I'm going to be talking about in the future. It makes me think, it makes me work. And it's been something to occupy myself. So this, making this content, making these tacos for you guys and for me is working for me. Um, so what I'd like you to do this week is take a look at yourself, at your past year, what has gone on in your life, and figure out what is working for you. What is good in your life that you'd like to keep at it. Maybe it's your relationship. Maybe it's, you know, trying something new as this content, or, maybe you're enjoying traveling or your job or your kids, your family, something, crafting. What is working in your life? Write that down. And next week we will go ahead and talk about what we are going to be looking at on changing things in the future. But first, we need to figure out what we're going to keep. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you tried the recipe and what you thought about it. You can also let me know in the comments if there's any other tacos that you'd like to see in the future. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.